welcome here to our building in 18 Ormond Quay. It's one of the first chances to have a wander around of our upper floors. I'm Graham Hickey from Dublin Civic Trust, and you can see this is our wonderful, glorious view over the Liffey here, which is one of the few opportunities in a way to get to appreciate Dublin from a whole other angle with a beautiful river passing outside the window. And this is the classic Dublin formula, the beautiful two-room plan. The grand front room filling the full width of the building, and then the much skinnier room at the back here with the staircase popped in to the side. So it's a lovely example of a typical Dublin merchant building built in 1842. We've some handsome shutter boxes here, good 1840s windows which are typical of their period. And then this lovely dinky frieze here running around the top of the room, this Angelipta or kind of sanitary paper frieze that was probably put in 1912 when the building was the Douglas Hotel. So we've been stitching the floors back together with the structural consolidation that was carried out by our contractors Nolan's. The windows were restored by Lamb's Tongue, who've done a beautiful job in reinstating the original profiles. And then Irish Fine Art have been stitching our ceilings back together, so they're nearly complete, and these lovely ceiling roses brought back to their original 1840s appearance. So we'll be uploading films like this every few weeks as we chart the completion of the building, and you can find out lots more information on our website at dublincivictrust.ie, where you can also donate directly online to help us support the project.